ahead, MeMaw. Tell the people what's going on here.
I have to wear my panties, my panties around my head because of my cat likes to lick my hair when I go to bed. So I grabbed these and put them on.
Now she's going crazy, right?
Yeah, what do you think?
Well, I mean, it has potential for maybe its own YouTube channel.
MeMaw's panties? Make a whole new channel, Mom.
I need a bow.
You need a bow?
Don't get your knickers in a knot.
MeMaw's old-fashioned remedies.
She can't afford like a scarf or a hat.
She has both those things.
Yes.
I do.
Yeah, of course you do. You have access to both those things.
Well, this was handier.
You weirdo.
Oh my God, you guys are